Login failed on Beanstalk App Fix. You try to log into your Beanstalk app to check your savings, but instead of your dashboard, you see the dreaded login failed message. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and most of the time, it's easy to fix. First things first, check your internet connection. Beanstalk requires a stable network to connect securely with its servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue clears up. Next, check if the Beanstalk app is updated. Outdated versions can cause login issues, especially after security upgrades. Head to your App Store or Google Play, find Beanstalk, and install any available updates. Then, reopen the app and try again. If you're still having trouble, double-check your login credentials. Make sure your email and password are typed correctly, and remember that passwords are case-sensitive. If you recently updated your password, make sure you're using the new one. Otherwise, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Still getting the error? Try logging in on Beanstalk's website. If that works fine, the problem is likely with the mobile app's local data. You can fix this by clearing the app's cache. On your phone, go to Settings, find Beanstalk, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Then, restart your device and open the app again. Also, avoid using AVNS or browser-style privacy tools when logging in. Beanstalk's security system might block those connections to protect your account. If nothing seems to work, Beanstalk might be undergoing maintenance. Temporary outages do happen, and they usually resolve within an hour or two. So if your Beanstalk login fails, don't stress. Check your connection, update your app, clear your cache, and verify your credentials. In most cases, one of these simple steps will fix the issue, and you'll be back to managing your savings and investments in no time.